In a world where laws are meant to protect and guide us, what happens when those same laws become chains that bind us? In Overruled, The Human Toll of Too Much Law, Supreme Court Justice Neil Gorsuch takes us on a journey through the labyrinth of overregulation and judicial overreach, revealing how the very system designed to safeguard our freedoms is slowly eroding them. From the first chapter, Gorsuch tackles the problem head-on. He argues that our society is drowning in a sea of laws that overwhelm rather than uplift. The result? A legal system that stifles innovation, crushes small businesses, and leaves ordinary citizens entangled in endless red tape. Tracing the roots of this issue, Gorsuch highlights the rise of the administrative state, an era where unelected bureaucrats gained unprecedented power. He points to key moments in history, like the New Deal and Chevron deference, where the balance of power shifted, leaving too much authority in too few hands. But it's not just about government overreach, it's about people, real people with real lives. Gorsuch shares moving stories of individuals caught in the crossfire, families torn apart by overzealous child protective services, homeowners battling oppressive zoning laws, and patients denied life-saving treatments due to bureaucratic red tape. And what of our personal liberties? Gorsuch argues that in the pursuit of public interest, we've compromised individual freedoms. He warns against the dangers of mandatory minimum sentences, speech restrictions on college campuses, and other laws that, while well-intentioned, often do more harm than good, especially to those already marginalized. In one of the most compelling chapters, Gorsuch highlights the struggles of small businesses, America's backbone. He exposes how overregulation stifles creativity and growth, calling for a return to simpler, more transparent rules that allow innovation to flourish. Federalism, as Gorsuch explains, could be the key to restoring balance. By empowering state and local governments, we can better meet the needs of our communities. Gorsuch calls for a revival of these principles, reminding us that often the best solutions come from those closest to the problem. Overruled, The Human Toll of Too Much Law isn't just a critique, it's a call to action. With practical solutions and a passionate plea for judicial restraint, Gorsuch urges us to reclaim our liberties, simplify our laws, and restore a government that serves its people. This is more than a book. It's a manifesto for a more just and free America. Pick up your copy of Overruled today and join the conversation about the future of law, liberty, and justice in America.